Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready and beginning the pairing flow. Make sure the Nest Hub is powered, connected to your home Wi-Fi, and awake. On your phone, open the Google Home app and sign in with the same Google account used on the Hub. This is how devices discover each other. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location services on your phone so the app can find the Hub. Keep the phone close, within a few meters, so the initial handshake completes reliably. Next, execute the setup sequence inside Google Home. Tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device, then New Device and select your home. The app scans. When it finds the Hub, confirm the short code displayed on the Hub matches the app to verify you're connecting to the right unit. Then select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password if required. Name the device logically and decide whether to enable voice match and personal results. These control who the Hub recognizes and what it shows. Finish by adjusting assistant preferences, linking music or video services, and testing functionality. Try a voice command, cast audio from your phone, and use media controls in Google Home to ensure the Hub responds. If something fails, perform quick troubleshooting. Restart the Nest Hub in your phone, ensure the Google Home app and device firmware are up to date, and confirm both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi network. If the Hub still won't pair, remove it from the app and run setup again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.